Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dingle D, and you're watching H3 Humper. I'm going to do a quick guide on how to clean the manifold absolute pressure sensor. This is the 3.7 liter and a 2006 intake manifold here. Start with popping off the harness connector. Pop off this retaining clip. Might be easier to use a screwdriver to assist with that, but there you are. And then just pull out the MAP sensor and clean out the contacts with some electronic contact cleaner. And same with the plug side. And lastly, I'm going to clean out that inner portion with a little bit of the contact cleaner as well. I'll hit that with some compressed air, let it dry out. With that done, just reinstall the MAP sensor and the retaining clip and the wiring harness connector. And this job's done. And there you have it. There's a super quick guide on how to clean the MAP sensor on the H3. Thanks for watching.